Hey loves, in today's video I will be creating two looks using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina Pro Pigment Palette Volume 3. I received the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina Pro Pigment Palette Volume 3 for my birthday. It retails for $60 and is available on Sephora.com. There will be a link in the description. The Norvina Volume 3 palette has a beautiful fall theme and is a mixture of 25 eyeshadows and pressed pigments. Since this palette does not have a matte brow bone highlight, I am using the Amuse Cosmetics Single Shadow in Cream, and I am applying it using my Vivis eyeshadow brush. With my BH Cosmetics Studio Pro 8 brush, I am applying D1 directly into and slightly above the crease of my eye. This shadow was so buttery soft and pigmented. It is a beautiful shade of brown. I am applying E2 to the outer half of my lid using my Aloe E124. I am using my BH Cosmetics Studio Pro 9 brush to apply B1 to the remainder of my lid. I am highlighting my brow bone with the LA Colors Strobing Illuminating Powder in Champagne using the Aloe E116. Using my LA Colors Pro Shadow Blender, I am blending my brow bone highlight into my crease shadow. I will not be doing a winged liner for this look. I'm going right to applying the Believe Beauty Volumin'eyes mascara. I applied the Miss 3D Makeup Soft Lashes in the style 51. Now going back to the shade E2, I'm bringing that along my lower lash line using my Aloe E115. I am blending out the edge of my shadow using the Ruby Kisses small eyeshadow brush. I am using the Nicka brown eye pencil on my waterline. To complete look number 1, I am highlighting the inner corner of my eye with the shade D2 using my BH Cosmetics V9 brush. I am starting off look number 2 using my BH Cosmetics Studio Pro 8 brush to apply A2 directly into and slightly above the crease of my eye. I am applying B3, a beautiful hot pink shade, to the outer and inner thirds of my lid using my Aloe E113. I am filling in the center of my lid with D5 using my BH Cosmetics Studio Pro 9 brush. Again, I am highlighting my brow bone with the LA Colors Strobing Illuminating Powder in Champagne on my Aloe Studio E116. I went a little heavy on the highlight, so I am using my LA Colors Pro Shadow Blender to tone it down and also blend it into my crease shadow. I am adding a coat of the Believe Beauty Volumin'eyes mascara before I apply my false lashes. And the false lashes I am using are by the brand Kiss. They are in the style Adore. I am using my AOA E115 to apply E1 to my lower lash line. I am using the ColourPop BFF Cream Gel Liner in Teaspoon on my waterline. Lastly, with my BH Cosmetics Studio V9, I am highlighting the inner corner of my eye with the shade C1. Thank you so much for watching. Comment which look was your favorite down below. Check the description for all of the products that I used, including a link to the Norvina Volume 3 palette. And until next time, bye loves!